Welcome everybody, I'm Kyle Kostecka and I'm here today because I heard you were a little bit sick of Thomas, so we're going to try a different flavor. And I'm going to be talking to you specifically about the top offers in our diet and weight loss vertical. So what I mean by that isn't just the top weight loss offers overall. Some are going to be in our dietary supplement category. These are ones that are specific to diet and weight loss. That being said, they are doing very, very well, so you can feel confident you're going to have some winners in weight loss season. So let's start off with our number 5 offer, which is the custom keto diet. So this is an amazing digital offer with a really great survey funnel that customizes the responses, gets really, really clicky, and has a nice conversion rate at 1.89%. With an average payout to affiliates at 37.54, you do have a EPC that might be a little bit lower for your supplement buyers at 0.41, but because the conversions on this, it's so clicky, it's so easy for users to want to go through it, and such a great experience on the front end. This is great for list health, for emailers, and for people that want something that might pay a little bit more, but it's really going to convert at a high level. You could still expect top payouts to like your list or even some affiliates running media buying, but I definitely lean for this more on an email basis. Coming in at number 4, we actually have an offer from a good friend of mine. This is another weight loss offer with a powder that just simply goes in your drink and starts melting fat away. Just all you really care about is this is another supplement funnel. So we can see already this offer actually has the highest payout of our top 5, coming in a whopping 156.45, and the conversion rate's a little bit lower at 1.48%, but because that really large average payout, you're still getting EPCs at 2.44. This offer with a really nice VSL at the get-go that's going to convert is going to be good for any traffic source, whether it's email, whether you're doing paid media, really something to try out to get great conversions and take advantage of that really healthy payout, which honestly just buys you a lot of mistakes and a wiggle room in your margins so you could play around and test and get this offer winning for you. Oh, hey there. Hey, if you guys love the content we're doing, be sure to smash that like button for more stuff coming directly to you. Until next time, see ya. Coming in at number 3, we have the smoothie diet. Now, really excited for this because this is a prototypical perfect example of a high converting digital offer that some people might look and think, oh, this isn't right for me, because they might see the average payout of only 29.47 and think this offer isn't gonna pay enough to work for me. Wrong. And that's because this offer comes in with an amazing 4.43% conversion rate to their top affiliates. This thing converts incredibly well. And one of the reasons why, not only is it the time of year, but it is smoothies. Everyone loves smoothies. They're easy. The sales page converts really, really well. It's been converting well for a really long time. So for email, this is going to be fantastic, but also for media buyers. If you want something that's going to convert, it really 4 times to 1 from what you used to with supplements. This is a great thing to try, where you might have that lower average payout, but you could get something that runs at a low CPA, so you could still get margin and get something to convert really, really well. So email first, but media buyers, I would not run away from this offer. Because of that great conversion rate, you might have a fantastic offer on your hands. With that, let's jump into number 2. Now, this offer at number 2 is Slim Crystal. And I'll tell you what, this is one of the most unique offers out there. Just to give you a little back history on this, or tell you what it is, it's actually a glass bottle that you could put crystals in, and the crystals with intention and other things, as well as some teas that go along with this, will help you lose weight. One of the things that's so powerful about this is it is very unique. It is a different, unique mechanism. It's a different marketing pull. So when you're running a bunch of weight loss supplements or diets and things like that, this is one that's really going to stand out to a beautiful page, especially if you're going to have a 45 plus white conservative female audience that you're targeting, which most of our affiliates do. This offer is really in the sweet spot with an average payout of $108, hop conversion rate of around 1.06. You're getting healthy EPCs at 1.09. Again, this one has great top revenue because it's so different, making it very versatile across all sorts of traffic channels. It's not a VSL, so you might want to go with email first, but if you happen to run some smaller targeted traffic, whether it be on Facebook, maybe not YouTube, but native, this offer could work really, really well with that large payout. And even though it's a text sales letter, it really has such a unique angle. It's a must try. Get your Slim Crystal to try out to your audience, and hell, maybe even buy one for yourself, because it is just one of the funnest unboxings that you could do to check out these crystals. But now, with a drum roll, let's find out what is number 1 in our diet and weight loss vertical. Coming in at number 1, this offer actually probably feel pretty familiar for you. This is one that was really a champion at the top of our list last time over with top offers overall. And you might have forgotten with new flashy toys and things like that this offer is still very viable and still doing very well. And that's the Onikawa Flat Belly Tonic. FB Tonic, for those that remember the nickname. This has the highest EPCs of any of the offers we mentioned at this point at a 3.8 EPC with an average payout of 134.82. And get this, you're getting a 2.35% conversion rate with top affiliates on this offer right now. That is crazy. You are very rarely going to find that type of payout with that type of conversion, making this a winner across any traffic channel. So if you feel like you might have missed the boat or maybe it's too late, it is not. This is still the perfect time of year. This is the number 1 offer in our diet and weight loss category, and you'd be silly not to either give it another try or give it a try for the first time, because this offer is just got winner written all over it still to this day. So again, guys, with those being the top 5 diet and weight loss offers in that vertical, you now know what you could take out there, go to this weight loss season that we're all loving, the increased conversions, the increased attention. These are the offers you want to run through and start promoting today if you can, to put those dollars in your pocket. Until next time, we will see you with some more top offers, and you have a good one.